Why should we hire you is one of the most important and commonly asked question in the interview. So in today's video, we will understand how to answer this question in an effective way. So friends, welcome to my channel, and if you are new here, then please consider subscribing my channel to get such more updates. So let's begin the video. So why should we hire you is another one of the most important job interview questions asked in the interview, and if you are not prepared for this question well in advance, then it may be the toughest question. So be ready with this answer beforehand. So to answer this question, you should have a good understanding of the key requirements of the job. To answer this question, you should highlight what makes you a perfect candidate for this specific job opportunity. Describing the selling points relevant to the job such as job experience, industry experience, technical skills, and company cultural fit will ensure your success in getting this job opportunity. So if the job which you are applying for is of different industry or a different career path, then you should convince the recruiter that your experience and background will match the new role. This has to be done if your experience does not match directly to the job. And in the other case, if you are a fresher or the job candidate has a little or no experience, then you should convince the recruiter by telling him that you have a strong work ethic and explain that you are a fast learner by giving one example. And also you should say that you are enthusiastic about the job and the company which you are joining in. Also explain that you are self-motivated and committed towards your job opportunity. So consider the following tips to answer the question effectively. The first tip is answer in such a way that the focus should be more on what you can do for the company rather than what the company can do for you. Specify what you can contribute to the company and prepare well in advance and be ready with a tailored answer to this question beforehand. The next tip is you should be confident about yourself for the job position. If you are not confident, then you cannot impress the recruiter. And you should also convince the recruiter that you are a perfect fit for the job. Now coming to the final tip, it is the most important tip that one should follow. That is, you should not talk too much by repeating what is there in your resume. Be very crisp and clear in your message. So if you follow these simple tips and techniques, then I am very much sure that you can easily come up with a good answer and clear your job interview. So friends, that's it in today's video. If you like the video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next video.